how can you clean this kind of glass. So it's too much easy. So in this video I'm going to teach you how can you clean this kind of glass. Okay, so let's start. So guys, for this one you need a Colgate and a toothbrush and a glass. So after this, now you can see here, just you have to open the toothpaste. Okay, so after this just you have to put your toothpaste like this. Okay, so now you can see here. Okay, just put all over inside your glass like this. After this, just take your toothbrush, then after this just start to rub. Okay, so and it will make too much clean. Okay, just you have to use a toothpaste like this. It is same like a toothbrush. Okay, and in this side also you have to rub this one, its inner part and the outer part also. So after rubbing 1 or 2 minutes, just you have to wash inside the water, and it will be too much good and it will be clean your glass. Okay, so guys, now you can see here I have already applied some toothpaste using this brush. Okay, so guys, so after this just you have to wash this one like this. Okay, so now I'm washing my glass. So after this it is going to be too much clean and tidy, and your glass will be too much good. Okay, so just wait for a moment. So I'm just cleaning this one. Okay, so guys, now you can see here my glass is too much clean. Now I'm wearing this one. Okay, that's it. Hoping that you understand how can you clean your glass using the toothpaste. So if you want also this kind of video, please let me know in the comment sections. I'll make another this kind of videos only for you. And if you get some new knowledge from this video, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel, and I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.